Do I even need a will? Hi, my name is Neil Tyrant. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. And actually, it was a conversation with a regular person, a family member, actually, around the dinner table not too long ago, that spurred the topic for this video when she said to me, "Why do I even need a will? Doesn't everything automatically go to my spouse?" Well, under certain circumstances, that's largely true. So, for instance, the home that she jointly owns with her husband, if he were to pass, would go to her, and vice versa. But what about the second of the couple, the second spouse, when they pass away? Where does their house go then? So you need a will under those circumstances, as an example. Now you can minimize the importance of a will by judiciously managing your assets, such that if you have most of your wealth in non-probate assets, assets that have a beneficiary statement or a payable on death designation, those assets pay out to the beneficiary or the designee automatically. They don't go through the will. So if all of your heirs are adults with no issues and they're stable, uh, and you are comfortable giving them the money all in one lump sum, well, yes, then the more assets you have in non-probate holdings, the less important the will is. But what if those beneficiaries are minors? Because a minor can't inherit. So a will has to be in place to determine how that money is held on behalf of the minor. Or what if the beneficiary themselves have children and you want their share, if they predecease you, to go to their children? It's complicated, but you would probably want a will to manage that process. So the answer is, yeah, you could get away without a will, but it's not a great idea. You have more control and more ability to determine exactly where your money goes when you use a will, as opposed to relying on other schemes. If you want to talk about this more, we're happy to do so. Our information is at the end of this video. And as I said, my name is Neil Tyra. I am an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.